In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on Zendesk. This comprehensive guide is ideal for anyone looking to streamline their customer support process by leveraging Zendesk's robust form creation capabilities. We'll walk through each step so you can confidently set up your form and fine-tune it to suit your organization's specific needs. First, let's start by navigating to Zendesk's website. Open your browser and enter the Zendesk URL. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. This action takes you to the login page. Here, you'll be required to enter your email and password. Please make sure you input the correct credentials associated with your Zendesk account. If you're having trouble remembering them, consider using a password manager for convenience and security. After entering your login details, click on Sign In. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Here you'll get your first look at all the tools Zendesk offers. Next, go ahead and locate the settings icon, which should be in your navigation panel. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu, revealing several options available to you. From this menu, select Go to Admin Center. Once you're in the admin area, you will have access to a variety of controls and settings. You're going to look for and click on Objects and Rules. This section is crucial as it houses all the components for customizing your Zendesk experience, including the forms we're about to work on. Now within the Objects and Rules section, click on Forms. Here you will see any existing forms you might have. For creating a new form, locate and click Add Form. This option will be prominently displayed and will lead you to a new interface. As you're creating your form, you'll need to select available ticket fields. These fields are the pieces of information you want to gather from customers using your form. Consider what information is essential for effective customer support. For instance, you might want to include a field for priority to help you sort and respond to tickets based on urgency. After selecting these fields, it's time to finalize the process. Make sure you have reviewed all the options you've set. The last step is to click Save. This action secures all your settings, committing your new form to your Zendesk account. Congratulations, you've just created a form on Zendesk. Keep in mind you can always return to these steps to modify your form based on feedback and changing needs. Zendesk offers great flexibility, ensuring your forms can evolve as your business does. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your customer service operations with Zendesk.